Guys here with Ember Stomp with Jeff, and Jeff's got a really awesome product that you guys need to be aware of. Let's take a look at it.
Contractor.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Yes, so absolutely we can do that.
I can't see giving somebody else.
Hi, I'm Jeff. Just want to talk to you about Colorbond steel fencing. This is a product called ColorMax. It's all imported from Australia. This is a good example of privacy fencing. All Colorbond steel. You got your sheets and your posts on each side and your rail system. This particular example also shows slats that are put on top. It all utilizes the same post and rail system. 3 slats. Everything is made of Colorbond steel. So certainly that steel would be the best product to use in a fire situation. Okay.
So it's all non-combustible steel.
Non-combustible.
Is it powder coated? Is that the
No,
Colorbond?
no.
Or?
This is Colorbond steel, so the color is baked right in.
Oh.
It's a zinc process. It's not going to rust even when it's scratched. And then normally when you have a fence run, the C-posts mount back to back, and then when you reach a corner, you would have a steel post that cut off the other direction. We have gates that are like this one, which are welded gates. So here's a welded gate at 5 feet wide. The black one that's located over there is also a welded gate. This one's at 4 foot wide.
Okay, so a homeowner can, if they don't replace their entire fence, they can still get a metal gate. That's pretty common these days.
We could just still sell them the gate.
Replace that section next to the house, put a gate in.
Exactly. So we import 4 foot, 5 foot, and 6 foot welded gates that are welded at the corners so they're not going to sag. And if you have a different size and you want to make something a little bit different size, we also have kits, and this is a steel frame that sits on one side, so it'll be one on one side, one on the other. And they actually use the existing post and rail, and they tuck inside here. And then using this system, you can basically build whatever width of gate you want. So if you have something unusual, you would use the kit system to build the gate on site versus a welded gate.
Well, that's
so
awesome.
The welded gates are obviously better because they're welded,
yeah.
and so they're not going to sag and all that kind of stuff. So we
Could
have
this
them.
be site welded or?
No, so this is just basically tech
Put the
screwed
rails
in.
in and
tech
attach it with
screwed in.
screws.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So we've had a lot of good luck with this, and a lot of people installing that. So
yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the material that, or the fencing that IBHS used at this event, Ember Stomp, last year, 2024. They had a non-combustible fence. We'll see if we can get some video of that.
Yeah.
And so homeowners wanting to get this product, I heard you say local installers and then distributors.
Reach out. Normally we'd have you reach out to a local installer or distributor. You can find information on our website at australianfencing.com, and just hit that site. Our contact details are there, so if you want to know how to get it, just reach out to us and we'll help you find it.
All right, and then do you sell direct to homeowners?
We
They're
can.
the DIY guys?
We can sell direct to homeowners. Obviously, the challenges would be is shipping it down to you. So to reduce those costs, we'd like to set up local suppliers and that kind of thing.
Oh, yeah.
So which we're in the middle of doing right now. So
Gotcha.
yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome. Well, Jeff, thanks for your time.
You bet.
And I hope some homeowners can mitigate their wildfire risk here.
Absolutely. That's what we're here for.
All right.
Okay.